Alex.
What?
It was an illusion.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, I know, right?
You're dead.
I died. Yes, viewers, it is sad to say that I died.
Let's see, for this exact reason is why we put...
Alex, shut up!
I can't. Okay, I'm fine. Ow. I wonder if the viewers heard that.
I hope they did, because I just slapped you. Really hard in the face.
He's dead. He's dead. This... okay. At least we have our golden sword and death moans.
Death moans? Dude, it's okay, man. We can get through this.
Yeah. We will.
That always scares me for some reason. The shutting. It always just scares me.
It reminds me of that thing, the book from Harry Potter that goes like, and then like eats your face.
See, this is the exact reason I kept all that stuff. The
Where?
exact reason. Point the camera at me. People playing this game.